Heart Face Babies, it's me, BevB. Today we're going to be unbagging this package of diamond paintings. I believe there's 3 of them from OutdoorTide. That's OutdoorTide.com. I will have the information in the description box below. These were sent to me to review on my channel, so that is what we are doing. And if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Just click it a little bit gently, and you can stay up to date when I post new videos. I do diamond painting videos on an almost daily basis. So let's get into this package. So it is opened, and I opened one of the paintings because I was like, I don't know where this is from, and it took me a second, but then I figured out it was from OutdoorTide. So we have 3 diamond paintings, a big one, a baby one, and another baby one. So let's open this one. Shall we? I got my trusty scissors. I'm just going to cut it this way. Don't cut the canvas, Bev. Don't cut the canvas. Okay. So first we have, ooh, I know which one this is. First we have our drills. So here are our drills. They come packaged nicely. I like the drills that come in these baggies. They're always good quality. Like, I've never really had an issue when they come in bags packaged like this. We have a basic diamond painting toolkit. So it comes with a pen, a plate of wax, and a green tray, or as some people call them, a green boat. I don't know why it's called a boat for trays. I don't know. So let's take a look at the canvas. We will roll it, unroll it. Oh, this one's so cute. I don't care about tomorrow. I'm just living for today. Attitude. This is an attitude diamond painting. Here we have some information. Here's the thumbnail. Can't really tell what it is through the thumbnail. Measures 30 by 30. Here's the schematic, or table as they call it. What is this symbol? 7? We'll have to look. So it looks like there's 18 colors. Yes, that is a 7. And so while 7 is kind of blurry here, look at it on the canvas. It's pretty clear. I wish that it maybe was a darker color so it'd stand out more, but like, I have no problem seeing it with my naked eye. My naked eye. There's some roses. So it's a bunch of skeletons, a skeleton wreath if you must. And it says, I don't care about tomorrow. I'm just living for today. So that's going to be F. And F is 3865, so it's going to be white. I think this one, like, it is 30 by 30, so it's pretty small, but I think that it will turn out. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Maybe I'll do this one next. Like, look at the background. Number 2, which is 310. So the background's going to be all black, so that's a lot of multi-placing, color blocking, whatever you want to call it. So that's kind of neat. This one should go by fast. Quickly. I don't know how long this will take me, but definitely I think I'm in the mood for some snacks after I'm done my current diamond painting. So that is that one. I'm not going to undo these drills because I don't feel like trying to put them back into the bag. This I will put in my diamond painting portfolio. If you're curious about my diamond painting portfolio, you can find a video as I flip through my entire diamond painting portfolio. We'll open the next baby, which I already had opened to make sure to check which canvas this was so I could figure out what company sent me this. So here are the drills. This one is a square. I didn't know it was a square. Cool. I don't really pay attention because I like squares and rounds, so when I order things, I'm just like, sure, add to cart. So here we go. And this one measures 30 by 40. And it is a nice little crow, raven crow. This one might be good to do for drills and chills. It's kind of Halloween-y. So here we have our schematic. Everything looks good to me. Letters and numbers. The 4 is kind of cut off here, but we'll look for the 4 on the canvas. No, the 4 is fine on the canvas itself. It's just in the table. These symbols are pretty clear. I like this one. This one, like, obviously you're gonna have to look at it from far away, but I think this one is really cute. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I like this one. What is he standing on? The earth? A globe? A rock? I don't know. This is really cute. I like this one. Okay. So that will also go in my diamond painting portfolio. Then we have the last one. Oh, I should also mention that one came with a kit. So here's our last one, this big boy. I don't know, it looks like it's an envelope within an envelope, like literally. So let's see. I wonder why it's packed this way. Maybe they didn't have a big enough envelope. They were like, we're one size down, or we're missing one size. Okay. I know which painting this is, and I didn't realize it was going to be this big. Interesting. Interesting. So look at the way this one looks like, because, I mean, it has a color list down the side. Is this poured glue? Interesting. Okay. So here we have, if you know me, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I have a thing for black cats. This cat just throwing the money, throwing that money. Oh my goodness. So this is a black cat. I don't know how this one will turn out. Literally, like, he's all black and there's not a lot of shading going on in his face, but I was like, I need this one. I definitely need this one. So this one measures, does it say? 50 by 40 centimeters. And here's the color list. It actually lists out the quantity of drills, which is nice. And it has the DMC code. And this one is going to be 35 colors. And here is a better thumbnail for you to see what the cat is like. He's just a rich cat, just balling out of control. So this canvas feels different than the other ones. It's a lot thinner, and it doesn't feel as rough or as sturdy as the other ones. So that's why I'm like, is it poured glue? Like, what's going on? I think it's poured glue. It looks like poured glue. Is this a square? And it's a square diamond painting. So here are the drills. They come in baggies. They're not packed that nice, but I'm not going to complain because I probably won't work out of the baggies. A lot of 310 or whatever color that is. And then let's take a look at the drill field. So it goes this way. The drill field looks good. I don't see anything I would complain about. And lots of 310, so lots of color blocking. Yeah, the drill field looks good on this one. This one is like actually really hilarious, and I think I want to do it next just because I want to see how it will turn out. Like if you can actually tell there's a cat and there's actually money. This is an interesting one. So let's take a look at the information for these 3 diamond paintings that I just showed you. So first off, we have the cat. So this is the one you just saw. The cost is $16.36. Full square money cat. And this is for the raven or the crow. I guess it's called a crow. So it looks like it's sitting on a soccer ball. Is that a soccer ball? I don't know. So that one is $10.93. And the last one will be that round skull wreath. And it's actually called skull wreath. Perfect. And the cost is $6.71 for that. So they have thumbnails of how it will kind of look in your house. I don't think that it's going to look like that in your house. Whose house, like if your house was this nice, would you actually display this diamond painting? That's what I want to know. I think... Okay, yes, this is what I wanted to show you. This is really cool because they have a picture of the actual canvas itself. So you can kind of see if what you're ordering is going to be clear or not. So that's really helpful. And apparently they have free shipping over $50, and it's OutdoorTide.com, which I'll put in the description box below. What do you guys think of these diamond paintings? Which one was your favorite? Let me know down below. Thank you so much to OutdoorTide for sending me these for review. I really appreciate it, and I'm excited about them, especially the squares. I've been on a square kick lately, so that's awesome that I ordered 2 squares, or I requested 2 square diamond paintings without even knowing. But that's all I have for you guys today. If you like diamond painting, again, feel free to join my hive. All you have to do is click that subscribe button, and I post new diamond painting videos on a regular basis, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!